Hello, so today I'm going to be opening up a Witch's Roots box. This is actually last month's. It is June's. I just loved the theme of the magical Lioness so much because Bast is one of my deities. So here's the paper if you want to stop it and read any of it. Put this next to me. Just put it here now for a second. But yeah, Bast is one of my favorites. Deities. Has been for, oh my gosh, probably since I was like really little, like as long as I can remember. And I've always loved her and had a connection with her. And so when this box came out and I seen it, because I always had to get Witch's Moon, I was like, I need that box. Alright, so my card is a Pyramid of Light. Psychic Protection. Yes, definitely on that. Especially if you're an empath walking around. You know what I mean. And this art is so pretty. Pause that and read that if you want. That behind there. And then we got Catnip. Catnip as the art for the herb. So fitting. And let's get into the rest. Let's see. Ooh, here's the pendant. Necklace. And I even like the chain style. It's really pretty. And there's pendant. Has an ankh on it. And the back. It says protection, heals, for health, home, wisdom, and something else. Oh, truth. So that's really cool. If you want to focus. Really love this. This is also one of the other things that really got me. I mean, of course, it has Bast on it, so why wouldn't I love it? Alright, let's see. Of course, our herb is catnip. Go along with our art. So we got a big old bag of that. My kitty is too young still, so he cannot have any of that yet. But I can always lay it out anyway for offering for Bast. So look over my little one as he destroys everything. You might hear in the background scratching. So anyway, there he is. So the oil is, of course, Bast, or a Bastet. I don't know why some of the spellings is just B-A-S-T or B-A-S-T-E-T. So I'm not really sure how to say it. And it has all the herbs in there. It can't really pick it up. But there's a lot of little herbs in there. I think I see some like lavender. Give it a little whiff. Ooh. Definitely herby. And like, you know, earthy. But it smells really good. And the little baby. And this is going straight on my desk. It is the little statue of Bast, and with her little scarab. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It's actually like a lot smoother and good detailed than I actually thought it would be. I was kind of scared that it might look a little cheap, but it's actually really nice. Really good details. Nice and shiny finish on it too. So pretty. And of course, we got the best incense sticks. I love, love, love their incense. Oh, it smells so good. Their incense never fails me. Let me turn this off because I know it's going to be really loud. My AC just kicked on. Anyway, we'll work through it. Let me see if I can get this open, my trusty knife. Because then we have our anointed candle. Let's see. And this one is yellow. It is a pretty yellow, of course, beeswax, as most of their, well, I'm pretty sure all of their candles are. It is anointed with, oh, this one's actually not anointed. It's called the Lucky Luster Mini Spell Candle. But it has been rolled with the intention of prosperity, abundance, and luck into your current realities. So that's really, really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and read some of this while we can appreciate the box items, and we'll see. So catnip is also known as cat's wort, or cat mint. Its genus actually has nearly 250 different species. It attracts butterflies and, of course, cats. It is cultivated in classic Roman and Greek times for several human uses as well as charming their cats. Later, catnip was found amongst tea blends, herbal remedies, and common seasonings. Wow, that's shocking. Most notably, catnip was included within herbal blends to help ease nausea, treat colds, relieve aches and pains, relax muscles, and assist in healing wounds quickly. You can often find simple love spells and sachets that call for catnip as a main ingredient. That's cool. Yeah, and then the herb, the anointing oil, has frankincense, myrrh, almond, and patchouli oils, and of course included catnip as well. Inside your oil you'll find a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness into your aura. That's cool. We have also included a special mixture of our Deep Protector magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery into making this oil. That's really, really cool. Also, really be sure to always check your oils. Do a spot test on them. I know a lot of people really don't like to do that, myself included. I will just anoint my whole arms, and then all of a sudden I have hives and I'm itchy, and I'm actually allergic to Benadryl, so it's just a hell of a annoyance and nothing to really ease it down. But yeah, that is the magical Lioness box. So if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. I will be having other subscription boxes coming in the near future. I have the Witch's box, Witch Casket, and Wolf in Time coming up too, along with the So Sadly Last Witches UK book box. So this will be the last one of that. Unfortunately, they have to end that subscription box, but we'll still unbox it. And actually, that one I might save after I read the books to do a review on the whole box and the books together. So yeah, thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day. Blessed be.